We're back.
Yeah.
Welcome back.
How long has it been since?
Almost. It's just over a year, actually.
Is it really?
Maybe longer.
Yeah, dude, it's been longer.
We've decided to start at the end. We're currently at Pow Pow Ramen Factory Bar, and we're going to be having some good ramen. Not that Maruchan is bad. We love Maruchan ramen, but we're treating ourselves after a season of hard work. Finally.
A year later.
A year later.
A year later.
Our hard work is about to be rewarded. Let's go. So, I got the black and white. It's kind of a beef broth ramen. It's got, as you can see, you got your noodles down here. Got some broccoli, an egg, some Naruto, and then the beef, obviously. It's a really good smell. Though I will say, if you smell that, there is a small little. You can still smell the beef ramen, like beef Maruchan ramen.
You actually can.
Not far off.
All right, now I got the kimchi seafood heaven, and as you can see, we have a nice medley of action going on in here. We've got our noodles, our sesame seeds, you can see some mussels, we got squid, shrimp, and of course, what is kimchi seafood heaven without glorious, glorious kimchi? Oh man, this is gonna be so great. And what do you have?
Ooh, I got the spicy pork tonkatsu ramen. No, spicy garlic tonkatsu, my bad. Yeah, braised pork belly, lots of garlic, egg, some mushrooms, bean sprouts, all the good stuff, man. All the goods.
Go for a taste.
You're not doing it.
I don't know, these are long noodles. It's gonna be hard to do the technique.
I know.
Slurp. Oh, y'all aren't gonna be able to do the technique.
You're not gonna be able to do the technique with these noodles, Alex. I don't think it's possible.
Give me time. Oh, you little face.
There's no way. I can't do it.
You know, you ever watch Shark Week when a great white goes up to snatch its prey and its eyes roll back into his head?
All right.
That's what you look
We're gonna give this a 10 here. Nope, you know what? I'm not doing it. I can't do it. I can't do it. I'm gonna drop it on my face.
Let me finish this. I got the same thing, but it doesn't matter what I got. Look at this piece of meat. I get to eat this.
So, the flavor action that's going on in here is actually really interesting. All of the seafood makes for a very, very complex seafoody taste because you taste some of the squid, but at the same time, you taste some of the mussels and some of the shrimp. And the spice here...
Is that a head?
Oh yeah, look at this.
Crap, look at that.
Hang on, dude! Zoom in on this. You see this? You see that? Whoa! Got a little buddy.
You have to name it before you eat it.
There it is.
Get a nice, good view here.
A little buddy.
To Hansy the squid.
That's not a squid. That's
How is
an
it?
octopus.
Octopus, whatever the heck it is.
He's huge.
Holy cow! Y'all, we got a big...
Whoa.
Oh my...
What is that? How do you acquire that? Where do you get these?
H-Mart is a lovely place. Look at that.
Oh my
Dude, he's even got, it's a bobblehead.
This is spicy. This is garlicky. This is everything you want. It's umami.
Edamame.
Edamame.
I thoroughly enjoyed this ramen. It had a spice that complemented the beef well, but wasn't overpowering. There was a really good mix of. I often get frustrated with the mix of like different additives and different additives in addition.
Okay. I was trying real hard not to spit that. It was a solid bowl of ramen. It definitely has me excited for the upcoming season that we've got, and of course, I am still working on it. I still have plenty of broth and some more seafood to have.
Is it better than shrimp?
What do you mean better than shrimp? Like
Shrimp ramen? The shrimp flavor?
absolutely. Of course. I mean, you can't. It's really, really hard to compare Maruchan and then this, an actual ramen place. But overall, solid bowl of ramen, 10 out of 10 would recommend, and I'm definitely going to come back here at some point to continue trying.
You don't, on average, find 2 squids in your shrimp ramen.
Now, there was 3 squids in here, so it was above average.
Oh my word. What about you?
Wow, that was the worst bowl of ramen I've ever had. No, just kidding. Gotcha. Bam. Bam's my new catchphrase this season. But yeah, great. Super spicy. Nice and garlicky. I'm like so full. My stomach is very happy. Nice and full of ramen. Isn't that what Maruchan means? Doesn't Maruchan mean like happy boy? I'm a very happy boy.
He's a happy boy. Y'all, there's a third muscle and I didn't even know. Let's go.
That's a good deal.
I'm telling you, man. I just keep getting seafood surprises. I love it. I'm in seafood heaven. It's the name of the ramen. Probably saw that too, Liz.
So we just got done eating ramen at the Pao Ramen Factory. I think it was a really good experience. It was really good tasting ramen.
Well, guys, do we want to head back and get this next season going?
Yeah, thanks so much for watching.
Let's get to work.
Whatever season 1 you got to watch. This gave us, I think, some really good inspiration for season 2.
Yeah.
And sorry for the long wait, but back at it.
Expect good stuff this upcoming season. Thanks for watching.
Goodbye.
Okay, cool. All right.
That was terrible.
We'll work on that.
It's okay.
Okay.